Hey guys, so in this video we'll be talking about must-have iPad apps for students. So let's begin. First are the productivity apps, which will be the Apple iWork suite, and this includes the Keynote app, Pages, and also the Numbers app. So these are the basic apps that will help you do your productive work, such as making PPTs, editing documents, and also handling spreadsheets. So these are provided by Apple as default apps in your iPad, and if you do not want to use them, or if you don't like them, so you can always use the Microsoft version of these, which is Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So you can always switch to them if you need them. I personally am using the Apple iWork suite because I've used the Microsoft version for a very long time since I was a child, and now I just want a change. And yeah, so that was it for productivity apps. So next, moving on to backing up your data. You need some apps to back up your data, because backing up your data is very important, as if there is any hardware failure, the data may be lost forever and you may not be able to recover it. So you need some apps to just send your data to the cloud. So the apps used for backing up your data are basically iCloud, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox. There are many other online services which help you back up your data, but these are the major ones. And I personally use iCloud, Google Drive, and Microsoft OneDrive. I have not tried Dropbox yet, and I'm not sure how well does it work, but yeah, it will have the same function. It will just store your data in the cloud and you'll not have to worry about losing your data. I majorly use Google Drive because I've been using it since I was a small child, and yeah, most of my data is stored in Google. Nextly, I've bought the Mac and iPad recently, so iCloud is also a good option for me because it syncs the data between these two devices very well. But the drawback of iCloud is it only gives you 5 GB of storage, which is very less, and Google gives you about 15 GB of storage, and also Microsoft OneDrive also gives you only 5 GB of storage. But as I'm a student and I have a student ID, the Microsoft OneDrive provides me with 5 terabytes of storage. So I have recently moved on to OneDrive, and yeah, it has been very great experience using that 5 TB of storage. And yeah, all of these apps have similar function. You just upload your data there and it'll stay there forever. So it depends on you which app you should use for your iPad. You'll be forced to use iCloud, and other than that you can always use Microsoft or Google version, and also Dropbox is an option for you. You can just try it out. Next, moving on to the third app, which is Zen Flip Clock, and it is a free app, and it is just a basic clock app that helps you view the time in an aesthetic way. So I use it always when I study, and I'm not using my iPad for note making or anything. So I use it to just be in the background of my study corner, and yeah, it is very aesthetic, and it has a built-in timer, and which is very handy. I don't know why, but it is there. And if you swipe to the left, there'll be a Pomodoro timer of 25 minutes, and that is very good. Overall, it is very useful and it is free. The next app I'll be talking about is Anki, and it is a paid app. It is basically a spaced repetition app which is used to learn or remember things which is hard to remember, and if you're a student, you should give it a try. It is very useful. Though it is a paid app for iPad OS or even iOS, it is free for Mac, PC, and Android, so it definitely is worth it if you know how to study with it. And this app definitely needs a separate video, so I'll try to make a video explaining the use cases and how to use this app as a medical student and as a NEET aspirant overall. If you know how to use this app and you have a workflow with this app is worth every penny. I personally use this app to study for my NEET exam, and yeah, it is very helpful. It really helped me to remember formulas, facts in biology. So the last app that I'll be telling you is a very famous app. It is GoodNotes 5, and it is a paid note-taking app, but it is the best. And if you need a good note-taking experience in your iPad, so this is the app that you need. It can be used to mark up PDFs, any kind of document, photos, and it does it in a very aesthetic manner. And you can even search your own handwriting with it. How cool is that? Searching up your own handwriting. Also, it has a folder by folder management system, which is kind of shabby, I'd say, and yeah, but it is functional. If you need a good note taking experience but shabby management of notes, then it's fine. Also, it can be used as a very good digital planner. You can just go and find templates of digital planner online and download them, and the digital planner will be very well functioning for you in GoodNotes. Also, you have the ability to make flashcards in it, but I'd rather use Anki for flashcards because it is the most superior one. Yeah, but it has the ability to do that, and also it is only 699 rupees. So looking at the competition, Notability, it's now a free app, and yeah, it is a good app in management, but now you have to pay a monthly subscription fee to get the pro version of that app. And if you compare the advantages and disadvantages, maybe that is another video, and I'll be making that video also. So these are the apps that are required in an iPad to be functional for a student. You can skip Anki and the GoodNotes part, but other than that, these apps are free and you can just go and download them, and it'll just make your life better. So thank you for watching this video and hope you liked it. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for more such content. Bye.